Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to introduce you to an awesome function in Excel, and that is the IFS function. So this is great because it allows you to do the same thing that you do with a nested if function, but in a so much more clean and easy to read manner. So using Excel, we've all used a nested if, and oftentimes the problem with a nested if is that if you have numerous nested if conditions, then it can get pretty messy pretty quickly, but the ifs kind of cleans it up. So here we have a situation where we have students with a letter grade, and we want to associate a word with the letter grade. And to use the ifs function, so first equals ifs, open parentheses, and then the logical test. So if the grade is an A, we want to return the word great. If the grade is a B, you want to return the word good. If the grade is a C, we want to return the word pass. And if the grade is a D, we want to return the word fail. Then close parentheses. And then now I'm going to lock in the everything except for cell C8, just to make sure that is a little bit cleaner to read. So locking in cells. Everything except for C8. Control C, drag it down, and then Control V. And as you can see, if the grade was a B, it's good. A great, C pass, D is failed. And as you can see, this is really cool because with the ifs function, because if this were a nested if, then it would look pretty messy because there are four criteria that are being used. But with the ifs function, it's much more clean. So here's what it would look like with a nested ifs. So if the grade is equal to an A, you want the true argument to be great. However, if false, if the grade equals AB, then you want it to return true. Then if false, if the grade equals AC, you want it to return pass. Then if that is false, if the grade is equal to AD, you want to return the word failed. And then you just ignore the last if false argument, then close all these, and then go through and lock down everything that is not C8. So everything that's not C8 is being locked down. This does not change. Checking my formula, and then do complete. And the Control C, Shift down arrow, Control V. And as you can see, it does the same thing, but to kind of show you what the different functions look like. So, but to kind of show you what the different functions look like, bring this over to get more space, and then put a comma in front of it, and then with the if function, put a comma in front of this, and then move this over some more to give the if function a little bit more space. So here you can see this is the version with the ifs function. This is the version with the nested if. I would just kind of show how the nested if can do the same thing. It's the ifs function, but it can get a little bit more messy. So that being said, I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Any like or comment or subscription is extremely helpful. Also, check out the links in the description for some free stock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day.